Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I did my last blowout. This is actually, she was done last year, but because I used the bed head as the Tigi blowout illuminating shine cream, I wanted to show you all how it turned out. And it was my first time using this product. I found it at the local Sally's in Bristol. I think you can find it at your local beauty supply store too. So I'm not sure where you can find this in Nigeria. I have to have a look first. And I just took a little bit, or a medium-sized bit, and put it on my hair. I was in a hotel, so basically I just used the hotel's dryer. It wasn't any special blow dryer. It was just a handheld hotel dryer. So I used it on medium heat, and I just kept going down the length of my hair. So this is basically tension blowout. And with me, if you've ever watched how I style my hair, I really don't like using combs. So my hair was freshly washed here. If you're new here, I actually wash my hair in twists. So, and before I wash my hair, I detangle thoroughly with my fingers. So I don't usually need to detangle again when I need to style my hair. So all I needed to do was take the twist down, put the blowout cream on it, and then going with the tension. So it's easy, pretty simple. I'm going to show you how I did this twice, and that's the first bit. Now this is the last bit. So I just need to take down the twist. As you can see, my hair is super healthy. So I don't blow out frequently. People ask me this all the time when I style my hair. No, I blow my hair out just once or twice in a year, and most of the time my hair is usually in a protective style for about a week or two. So when I take it down, my hair looks like it's blown out, but it's actually not. So yes, so all I'm doing here is the same thing, going in with the blow dryer and just simply going over my hair and using the tension method. And if I feel that my hair is a little bit tangled, I stop and then I finger detangle a little bit, and then I continue. And then another thing to note is with this blowout cream, I noticed that there was a lot of shine, like my hair was glittery afterwards, and that's because this blowout cream has beads in it. And yeah, I was pretty impressed, and it left my hair feeling really silky as well. So yeah, I think I've got a new product to be blown out with. And well, it's not like I need it frequently, but yeah, this is a good product. So that's what my hair looks like. Yeah, bendegadeng. It looks so shiny and so dark and so healthy. So yeah, so this is the end result. I'm going to show you all a better view. This is just me trying to take down all my hair and trying to figure out like what's going on with all this hair in my face. So yeah, okay, so this is a proper view. I went to the bathroom, and like this is what it looks like. Let me do some slow motion for y'all. And yeah, just in case you were wondering, I'm 6 years natural. I haven't actually braided my hair in over 2 years. Huh. So, but yeah, but I'm 6 years natural, and you can find my hair journey video on my channel. So if you want to see more, and then yeah, I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun now. If you want more information about how I grew my hair, please view more videos on my channel. You can also find more on you can also find more on my blog, Igbocurls.com. Yeah, so that's it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be nice in the comment section. And yeah, we're a family. So take care, loves. Bye.